If you're posting consistently, but your business still isn't growing, this is likely the reason. Random content does not build a brand. Most entrepreneurs don't post randomly on purpose. Okay. They're posting what comes to mind. They're posting what feels helpful that day, or maybe they're posting what they think they're supposed to post every day. But after studying impactful brands, there is one pattern that just seems to stand out. It's very clear. And that is that they don't just post random ideas, okay? They are actually positioning themselves when they post. I'm LaMorvielle, and this is Brand Impact 365. I'm committed to posting one video a day for a full year while I study impactful brands, rebuild my own business, and share what I'm learning in real time with you. So, all I do every day is study how brands actually grow. And this is one of the biggest differences, right? Now, here's the first issue with random posting, random content, right? When each piece of content stands alone, there's nothing that is supporting it. It doesn't really end up building up. Someone can watch one video, like it, and then still have no idea why they should even follow you. Impactful brands design content so each piece reinforces the same core message, right? It's more of a supporting role. So you have one simple message and they find a way to support that message over and over again instead of posting randomly, right? Um, so the other part of this is when you're posting randomly, right? Here's a second issue. You also are training your audience to just consume your information, right? They're not actually building trust. So when your message changes every day, people don't know what you're known for, right? And if they don't know what you're known for, then, they're not going to think of you as a solution when they have a problem in your niche, right? You won't even come up because they're not even sure what, again, you are offering. So, strong brands, on the other hand, they decide in advance what they are talking about, what they don't talk about, and what problem that they're known for solving. Okay. And here's a third issue also that a lot of entrepreneurs, I guess, don't realize, me being one of them in the beginning. And that is random content actually makes consistency a little bit harder because when you don't have a structure and every post requires like new energy and new thinking and new decisions, right? That's why a lot of people actually burn out because it's exhausting. Right? Impactful brands remove all that extra decision making by building content around the frameworks, their phases, or their themes that they have for their brand. And then they build on that. That's how they're posting. So this is why, this brand impact 365 exists, right? It's not about just posting whatever comes to mind, right? It's about studying what works and then applying that structure so content actually is leading somewhere, right? So again, with this channel, you see again there is a theme. It is just not random posting about whatever, right? There is a direction. Make sense? If these daily lessons and conversations help you, friend, think a little bit clearer about your business, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. I truly appreciate your support. All right, friend, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, then like and subscribe to support Brand Impact 365 with LaMorvielle. And if you are struggling with your brand impact, then watch the next video.